everyone, Opil friends. Great to see you again. Haven't seen you for a while since I couldn't have a time for hiking these days. Kind of busy I was. I am doing mountain Shimbul trail now. The most beautiful section that represents this mountain is the vast field of silvergrass around the peaks. Hopefully you will enjoy that. Let's go up and find out what it looks like. Well guys, there's a signpost. Let's take a look. Going to the right to the peak Yeongchuk. Keep going. Wow, look at this wide field of silvergrass. It's just amazing. Now, almost got to the peak Yeongchuk. Over there. Touched down peak Yeongchuk, and next heading to the top of mountain Shimbul. The path of Yeongchuk Peak to the top of mountain Shimbul is quite moderate, as you can see, but it's pretty long. I need to take enough time to get up there. Let's take a look at the sign. 0.7 kilometers left to the top. Hey my friends, finally we reached the top of mountain Shimbul. It's the summit. Great.
I've been moving forward, 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 been reading the signs. And I already told her, move on with your life. Seeing how we both been getting older, but you're still wasting my time. Cause I already told her, move on with your life. Why don't we fade away, deleting every picture, hoping you get the picture. Cause I don't wanna drag this out too long, no. You always think you're right. I told her, move on with your life. Don't fill my appetite. I told her, move on with your life.